run out.
G'day viewers, we're in England, it's cold. For those of you in Australia where it's bloody boiling, let's give you a bit of snow. We've just woken up this morning and it's coming down. The schools are closed.
Yep.
Yay! Well, let's see what happens when we open these doors. There you go. Look at that. Is it? Freezing? It's just started, well, it's been snowing for a couple of hours. But it looks like it's going to snow all day, so... Woo!
There
you go. My garden looks as good as anybody else's today. It's pumping down actually. It's filling up quick.
My toes are freezing.
Alright, there you go. Bit of relief. See ya.